Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exchange cryptocurrencies on the NC Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up NC Wallet on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the wallets page. From here, in order to exchange any cryptocurrency that you have, just go into the Exchange tab. Now within Exchange, you will be asked to choose which coin you would like to exchange for. So this should be your target coin. After choosing your desired coin, you will now be taken into the exchange page. Here you can exchange your other cryptocurrency into the one that you just selected. So choose which crypto you would like to change from. And now just enter the amount within the given amount box. After entering your amount, the calculation will be made, and you will also be shown how much your target currency you will receive. Once you are satisfied, you can click on the exchange button to proceed forward. And now your source currency will be exchanged for the target currency that you have just set. With this process, you can exchange from any coin onto any other that is available within the NC network. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to exchange your crypto from one currency to another on the NC Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.